Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix error unable to save permission changes on by the very simple way. First of all, just click on the OK. Now, just go to the advanced at here, and here is the trusted installer. It is the problem. Then click on the change. Here we find advanced. Click on the advanced. Here we find now. Here we just find your user account. Here is the my user account, and click on the OK. Then click on the OK. Now just check this box, replace owner on sub containers and objects. Click on the check that. Click on apply. Click on OK. Now just click on allow. Apply it. Now it is working. Okay. Now our problem is solved. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.